Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are moving in a forward direction. Okay, so that was the message which I was getting for you. Yeah, so I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming in my channel, for liking, sharing, and subscribing it. This is your bonus love reading for February 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. A very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having birthday. So you can let me know in the comment section if your birthday is there so that I can wish you personally. So yes, let's start your bonus love reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius February 2021. Follow your intuition, Aquarius. Owl is here. Okay, you need to follow your intuition. That is the message which I am getting for you, and I have already uploaded your main reading, your bonus reading, your this is your bonus love reading, your extended reading, and your general reading. Okay, so you can have a look on that video too, because there are important messages which are important for you. Okay, so there is an opportunity which is coming for you, Aquarius. There is an opportunity which is coming for you. You just need to go for it. And in your main reading also, I got this message that opportunity and change is coming for you. You just need to follow your intuitions and open your eyes, mind, intuition, soul, open to receive basically. Okay, then there is originality. Blaze your own trial. Okay, blaze your own trial. Follow your intuition. Beautiful messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Whatever situation you are going on, you will get a breakthrough for that. Okay, you are going to get a breakthrough. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius, because transformation is taking place. Beautiful, beautiful Aquarius, you are going through a beautiful transformation. The rebirth is taking place in your life. Death and rebirth is taking place. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Isolation is here, so maybe you are feeling isolated, but crying is a good, good way to heal yourself, Aquarius. If you are feeling like crying, cry so that you can get heal from that pain, and you can let go that pain, because there is a letting go and there is isolation. Okay, so you need to let go anyone on which you are holding on so tightly. If you are feeling like crying, cry. Crying is not a bad thing. You can cry, you can express your emotion. It's just a way to express your emotion. What are the messages for Aquarius? Maybe you are feeling like in laziness. Okay, you are feeling very laziness, you are not doing it at all anything, you are sitting yourself, and you need to get out of this zone. Do not be lazy. Okay, get out of this zone of laziness, because you are indulged into your mind thoughts. Okay, you are creating overthinking. Basically, you are thinking a lot, a lot, a lot. So do not involve in yourself into your mind thoughts. Get out in from your mind thoughts as soon as possible. Okay, let go anything on which you are holding on. Yes, I told you, you need to be open to receive. That was your message in your main reading too, that you need to be more open to receive so that you can receive it, because opportunity and changes are coming towards you, Aquarius. Beautiful things are coming for you. You just need to open to receive. there is conditioning. So you are making a question about on your self-worth, that whether I deserve this or not. Yes, I don't deserve this. So this is not the way to treat yourself, Aquarius. Know your self-worth. You are someone who deserve everything. Okay, so deserve 0505 was the recording reading time. So do not condition yours on yourself. Okay, maybe you are conditioned on yourself, so do not condition yourself. Then there is slowing down. Slow and steady wins the race. You must have heard that story of a turtle and a rabbit. Yesterday only I was teaching this story to my kids, that slow and steady wins the race. Okay, so you have to think this, that slow and steady wins the race, and you will win the race. Do not worry at all if you think that I am very slow. Do not worry. See, courage. You need to keep your courage with you, and there is a new vision which is coming for you. See the picture from a new vision. There is a new vision which is here. Keep your courage with you. There is a tower movement, thunder movement is here. Things are changing, Aquarius, for you. Something is shaking up your life. Unexpected changes are happening in your life. This is a divine intervention. Okay, this is a divine intervention. Divine intervenes in your situation so that you can make necessary changes which are important for you. Okay, and this is not bad, this is always good, because change is always good. Do not feel sorrow for that. Okay, if you are feeling that why this is happening with me, okay, so do not think like that. This is happening because this is happening for a good reason. This is happening for a good reason. Okay, just be more playful with the situation, and you are completing a cycle here. We are the world is here. Any other message? Maybe some of you are comparing your life. Comparison is here. You are comparison, you're doing comparison with others. Do not compare yourself with others, Aquarius. Do not do condition. What is happening to your energy today, Aquarius? Why are you in such a energy of questioning your self-worth, questioning your questioning your self-worth, and questioning your comparing yourself with others? No, do not compare yourself with others. You are the unique personal soul. Okay, just have courage. Just have courage in yourself, Aquarius, because there is a new vision here. See the picture from a different perspective. There is a new vision which is for you. Do not be trapped into sorrow, guilt, sorry for yourself. Do not be stuck in your mind thoughts, because mind is the most worst enemy of yours. Just you need to open to receive, so that you can receive everything which is there for you. Do not hold on to those things which don't serve your highest good. Let go of those things as soon as possible. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what is the message from Energy Oracle deck for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. See, third chakra, bottom of the deck again I'm having the world. Okay, you're completing a cycle. You need to keep your strength, Aquarius. Keep your strength with you. Keep your courage with you. Keep moving in a forward direction. Okay, your third chakra is getting activated. Now you can communicate more clearly than before. You can express your thoughts. Okay, your third chakra maybe was blocked than before, but now it's getting open. The third chakra is here, so now you can communicate. See, actions is here. So this is a chariot energy. You are now moving in a forward direction. Okay, you are not stuck. You know what is right and what is wrong for you, what is white and what is black. Someone is jealous from you, Aquarius. There is an envy here. So someone is envy, jealous from you. I need to see who it is, but stay out of this energy. There is an angel of balance who is coming for you, which is bringing a balance to your life. And there is a new journey which is going to start. A new chapter of your life is taking place, Aquarius. Congratulations, a new chapter is taking place. Either you are going to travel somewhere, and if you're not traveling somewhere, then this is a new chapter of your life. Okay, this is a new chapter of your life. Just go in the forward direction, because there is a chariot energy. Why there is an envy energy here? Clarify envy. Clarify envy. Who is jealous? Magician and the mirror here. Someone is manifesting you, Aquarius. They are jealous that why are you, you know, why are you not with them? Basically, this person is from your past. This is someone from your past who is trying to manifest you. Okay, they want you in their life. Okay, they want stability with, stability. They want to create beautiful things with you, the stability and security. Can you see how this mirror number is? 53 and 35. This is a mirror number here. So maybe this is someone this is maybe your divine counterpart, your twin flame. Maybe they are very jealous with you that why Aquarius are moving in a forward direction without me. Okay, they want to create stability, they want to give you stability and security. This is someone from your past. Can you tell me more? Yeah. Bottom of the deck, I'm having hostilities, a thinking woman. Okay, so they're thinking that why the Aquarius are, they're very jealous and envious. Not in a bad way, Aquarius. This is in a good way, that they're keeping their patience with themselves. Okay, they're keeping their patience with themselves, and that they are thinking that why Aquarius are moving in a forward direction without them. Okay. Yeah, they want to give you love. Angel of love is here. They want to give you love, basically. Yeah, see, I told you they're manifesting beautiful energy. This is not a bad energy. This is a good energy. Happy family, happy life. 10 of Cups energy. They are manifesting beautiful things with you. 10 of Cups is here. So they want to create beautiful energy with you. And this is the mirror number. Okay, this is beautiful. 35 and 53. Can you see? Mirror number is here, 35 and 53. They are manifesting stability, 10 of Cups with you. Happily ever after. They want to create family with you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Oracles of Fairy. What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me one more card. Bottom of the deck, I'm having healing. So some of you Aquarius, you need to do your healing, and you need to do your healing on inner child. Okay, there is an inner child here. The Fairy of Playfulness remind you to make time to embrace your inner child. Playing keeps you young at heart. Do something silly and fun, but stay safe. So ask your inner self, inner child, that what your inner child wants to do. Then there is inspiration. Be prepared, as you will soon receive a visit from the Fairy of Inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call you at any time. Okay, inspiration is here. So beautiful message. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Let's add some message from fortune reading cards. Fool is here again. So yes, you need to take a leap of faith, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. And there is someone around you who wants to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Some kind of judgment is being made for you. Okay, judgment, celebrations. The world is again here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Sun. Again the Sun, the beautiful things is here, Aquarius. Right now you need to keep your patience. Happy new beginnings are coming for you. You are just completing a cycle. There is some kind of judgment which is being made in your case. The divine is making a judgment for you, and some kind of celebrations are coming for you, and you're completing a cycle here. The World card is here. So yeah, that was the message. Thank you so much for giving the message for Aquarius. Let's add one card from the Crystal Spirit Oracle deck. What they want to tell you. Let's see. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. I got it. And I got two cards for you. Okay. Spirit's Quartz and Orange Sapphire. So you can use these crystals too for you. Okay. And let me read it out. What are the meaning of these cards? Okay. Connecting to the community, Spirit Quartz. Okay, connecting to the community, universal love, harmony and cooperation. We heal in partnership, the strong lifting up the weak and taking turns supporting each other. When this crystal spirit appears, the message is to reach out and connect to your community and discover the true power of your gifts through sharing them with others. Okay. So that is the message for you. You need to share your rare gifts, as you can check out your main general reading also. I told you that you are going to receive your rare gifts, and right now this is a time to use them. Okay, you are here on a planet Earth to spread light, Aquarius. So open your wings and use your gifts. Orange Sapphire, joy in sensuality, respecting your body love. Just as healing crystals are the earth, yet separate from it, we are the part of Gaia, and the same water, minerals, and crystals are found within us as well as within the earth. Sometimes we can feel completely in our heads and out of touch with our bodies. But Orange Sapphire Spirit is here to remind us that our bodies will serve us throughout our life. Okay, so we have to nourish them with good food and good food from the earth and water that will replenish you. Wonder at your body's beauty and strength. It is the time to honor your body and experience its miracle. So you need to take care of your body, Aquarius. Nourish your body and take care of your body as much as you can. So this is the message. Let's add some message from Grace cards. Love yourself. Okay, what are the messages from the Grace cards? Let's add one or two cards from the Grace cards. Okay, patience. See, again and again I'm getting the message of patience. Aquarius, you need to keep your patience. Do not impatient right now. Okay, you need to keep your patience. Trust in the divine timing. Your future holds something far greater than your past. You just need to keep your patience, Aquarius. Okay, patience is a key to every success. Beautiful message for you. Let's add some message from Native Spirit, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see what is the message from your Native Spirit for Aquarius. Vision quest and answering the call. Vision quest. Take time away from the pupil and situation. Step back, withdraw. Inner truth is emerging in stillness, but first you need to retreat. Know that you are guided. Look for your answers in different ways. Your answers are around you. Watch for signs in the coming day. Trust that your life is being directed. Okay, so this is the time for you, Aquarius, to spend some time alone, and your answers are coming. You can use just you need to simply listen and watch for signs and open your heart to receive messages from the divine. I told you, you need to open up so that you can receive the messages, you can receive the gifts, you can receive the things which are coming for you. So beautiful message for you, Aquarius. You need to see clearly. Then there is answering the call. You have been called. If you have been waiting for your life to shift, the waiting is over, Aquarius. Your true and authentic life is happening. If you have been hoping for a sign, this is it. See, vision quest and answering the call. How these two cards are, in synchronicities. That watch for signs. The message for this from this card is you need to watch from signs which you are receiving from the divine. Okay, and now this message is the sign. Beautiful. This is the sign Aquarius. If you are hoping for a sign, this is the sign. Right now, your spirit guides, ancestors, and loved ones who have passed on are sending you messages, love, and healing. You have been called, and a gateway is opening for communication from these spiritual dreams. Now and in these days ahead, signs from spirit will be around you. So watch from them. There are signs which are there all around you: the feather that alights at your feet, the penny that mysteriously appears or on the rainbow splashed across the sky. Maybe a sign that spirit is trying to get your attention. Watch your dreams. Messages from spirit are often conveyed in noctilular hours, okay, in an unusual way. So this is the very important beautiful message for you, Aquarius, and I love it. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message that if you need a sign or something, that this is the sign. So yes, this was the message for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, light, and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.